There's a lot to do. What do we think? Let's do a haul. I ordered a lot. Party in the front and then business in the back. Hello, hello. Exciting things are happening. We're getting off this island, heading to the desert, and going to Stagecoach. There's a lot to do. I want to feel cute, confident, and my best, obviously. So in this video, I'm going to take you along for all the things that I do to prepare to go to this music festival. If you don't know what Stagecoach is, it's a country music festival, all country music. I'm at the beach right now. It's such a nice day, as you can see. So I'm hoping to get a little bit of a tan. My confidence is always really boosted whenever I have a little bit of a tan. So that's the first thing on the agenda today. Hopefully you can hear me, it's kind of windy, but trying this, it's the Simply Pop Fruit Punch prebiotic soda. Nice and refreshing, since it's very hot out. It is windy, which is kind of nice because then you don't overheat. I also brought some oranges that I cut up, and that's all that I brought for snacks today. I don't think I'm gonna be here very long. I just wanna feel the sun on my skin, get a little tan going. One thing I don't think I'm really prepared for is the desert heat. I checked a few days ago and it said it's gonna be the high 80s, but also I feel like desert heat is so different from the heat that we experience here because it's very humid here, but the desert is very dry, so we'll see. I was in the sun for about an hour. I did wear sunscreen. I think right now, since my hair is wet and I do need to shower since I went in the water, I'm gonna cross off some of the things that I wanna do. Hair mask, exfoliate, and shave. This hair mask from Dove, it's the Intense Repair one. I also have this exfoliator that I've been wanting to use. It's from a local brand, Jules and Gem, but this is a Pikake scented body scrub. Have never used it yet, but I'm so excited. It's one of my favorite flowers. And then shave from the neck down. This is my favorite one. It's so easy because you literally just like pop the tops off, and the little like bar around the razor is the shaving cream, so you don't have to have like two separate things. Anyway, it's really easy because in the shower you just get your leg or whatever you're shaving wet and then just do it, and it's like a one-step process. I don't shave super often because I do get laser hair removal, but I would say like once a month I shave my legs, and then kind of everything else as needed. So I'm gonna do a full self-care shower, hopefully come out feeling brand new. New angle unlocked. I bought this contraption. It was 30 bucks on Amazon. It's like the viral blowout giver thing. That was such a terrible way to explain that. It's basically a heated brush. So it's supposed to give the illusion of a blowout, and I'm not someone who knows how to do their hair very well. That's something I've always wanted to learn how to do, but I just get so lazy. Like, I will have enough energy to put on an outfit and do makeup, but hair, I just never make as much time for. But it's something that I want to because I think it makes a really big difference and it makes me feel put together. So I'm trying out this tool just because I want to try it before I go on my trip to see if I'm gonna bring it or not. That'll be nice. I'm trying to figure out what kind of hairstyle I want to do for the... What do we think? I did this half. This I still need to do, but I think you can kind of see a difference. I definitely like it. It's time to get down to business. We're gonna begin packing. You might be like, Ava, where is your cute, beautiful, stunning suitcase from? Away, of course. I don't think I've traveled with another brand of suitcases in literally 7 years. So thanks Away for sponsoring this video. I used to make these videos a lot where I would pack and prep for vacation, and it's cool looking back at those videos. The same Away suitcases that I was packing in those videos, I still travel with every single time I hop on a plane to this day, which just goes to show that they are durable, they are reliable, and obviously stunning. I'm so excited to have a new carry-on. This is in salt white, and you can see there's like a cool gloss to it. Altogether, I think I have 4 pieces of luggage from Away, and they're all just so nice. Not saying that going to the airport and like traveling is a fashion show, but it doesn't hurt, you know, to like feel cute and stylish. I don't know. This is what the inside looks like. There's plenty of room. Random thing that I really appreciate about these suitcases is that the wheels are like, look at that. I'm also very excited about this in the same color, so it's cute that it matches, but I'll be bringing this with me on the plane. It holds so much. It'll hold my laptop, my water, literally everything. So I'm gonna bring these 2 on the plane with me. I've recommended Away to so many people in my life, so now I'm recommending it to you. I'm gonna have a link down below that'll get you 10% off your first order, so definitely check that out. Unfortunately, this is not gonna pack itself, but I think we should do a haul. How are we feeling about that? I kind of went a little crazy. Let's do a haul. This is feeling appropriate. Stagecoach is a country music festival. You know, I want to dress up to the part. I feel like I don't get a lot of opportunities in my normal life to play dress up, so I ordered some stuff. I don't know what I'm keeping, what I'm returning yet, because I really only need 3 outfits, but I went a little crazy. It was one of those like midnight shopping sprees where I was like, oh my gosh, I have nothing to wear. This is like the most last minute trip that I've ever planned probably, and so I felt very unprepared. Thus, I ordered a lot. I'm probably gonna return a lot. Let me know. Actually, it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna be gone already. I'll link everything down below if you're interested. Let's start off with these bad boys. These are super cute. It's got that fun cow print. I think it'd be cool to wear like a statement belt with this and then I don't know what up top, but I was really excited when I found these because I feel like this is kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. From that same brand, just this cow belt. I don't know if I'm gonna end up using this. Might return, but it is really cute. From that same store, I found this like cropped zip up top that honestly might go cute with the shorts. I hope this fits. I find that sometimes these kind of tops that don't have like give and it's a zipper, I just come busting out of them, so we'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up wearing this. It's from Frankie's Bikinis. It's this denim dress. They had a few other colors too. They had like red gingham, which was really cute, but I did want to do a denim moment, so I thought this was really cute with the cowboy boots. It would be a really simple outfit, but you know, just something I'd feel comfortable in and cute. I got this denim jacket from Levi's. This has a very special place in my heart because I've been looking for a good denim jacket for so long, and what are the odds that I find this when there's a 30% off sale going on at Levi's? Like, it was perfect. This is literally the perfect denim jacket. I love it so much. I've been looking for one for so long. There's so many denim jackets out there, obviously, but you gotta find one that's like the right fit, the right wash. I think this is literally perfect. I'm so obsessed with it. I think it'll be perfect to maybe pair with an outfit and if it's like cold or something. Another store that has really cute stuff right now is Madewell. I got some accessories from there. So this suede belt with these fun gold buttons, I think it'll just add, you know, add a little bit of spice to an outfit. And honestly, the bag that I got, oh wait, belt and purse slay. I wanted to get a crossbody bag. I feel like for the festival, it's a little safer to have something that can't get like ripped off. Let's bring it back to the whole micro shorts trend. I found these on Free People and tell me not. This is literally perfect for Stagecoach or any like festival or concert maybe you're going to this summer, this spring. The studs are so cute. I'm thinking of doing a more casual outfit on one of the days, and Abercrombie has the best like graphic tees, like beer graphic tees. I just feel like it fits the vibe. So I got one that's Miller Light, simple in the front. I really like the back just with denim shorts or like a denim skirt. My boots, my hat, simple, cute. Or this one, I love a Corona, so this one might be fun to wear. And then the back is really cute. The end is near. The rest is from Princess Polly. I'll link everything down below. The first is this really cute red plaid blouse. Really, really cute for spring and summer, but I also might try and work this into an outfit because I think the red is really cute. And these little like bloomer shorts, they actually had it styled like this together on the website, and it's really cute. So this honestly might be one of my outfits with like the boots. I think it might be a vibe. I bought these shades. I didn't want to bring my actual like good sunglasses just in case they get trashed or I lose them. So these ones are kind of cute. And finally, this I'm really excited about. It's this black mini skirt. So the back is shorts, but it's really cute because it comes with this belt. You know what? I'm gonna have to show you because just showing you holding it up is not doing it justice. Naked on camera. How cute is this? It's like party in the front and then business in the back. Love a skirt because then, you know, there's no shady business of like whoosh. Anyway, that is my haul. I normally don't go that crazy, but I wanted to have some good options for outfits. So stay tuned to the TikTok and Instagram. We'll see what outfits I concoct. In a little bit here, I'm gonna head out. I'm getting my nails done with my mom today. These are really grown out and I never really liked the blue that much. I kind of just like panicked when they asked what color and I got this. We're getting a mani, we're getting a pedi. Not that my toes are gonna be out and about for this. Let's go. I'm obsessed with the nails. I've been getting the cat eye color effect for the last few times that I've gone to the nail salon and I'm just obsessed. I think it's so fun. I think it's really cool how like it reflects with the light. Also, update, I actually did end up getting burnt yesterday, which I couldn't tell, but last night before I like got into bed and stuff, my stomach was kind of like sore, and so I looked and it was bright red. So I'm about to try this freckle stamp. I found it on Amazon. I've been wanting to get, like, look at that. The one, oh, from Tarte. It's like a much smaller little pen, but it is always sold out. So I found this one on Amazon and I don't think I like it. I feel like it's way too dark. Oh my God. I've been really liking the look of fake freckles, but this one is a little intense. I almost wonder if it would make more sense to like do this before doing any like tinted stuff on my face. Maybe that would be better, but I feel like on top it's just a little too dark. I don't know. Here it is in better lighting. What do we think? I think, yeah, no. Way too aggressive. Dang it. The one I've been using prior to that is like the OG one, the freckle pen. It's just really expensive and really small. So I wanted to try something else, but I don't think that's working too well. Maybe it'll fade a little bit. I want to make a coffee and then I want to get started on all the things that I have to do to prepare for this trip. I want to get started with the packing. I want to actually like figure out my outfits. I might try and go to the store today to pick up some last minute things, but we'll see what we have time for. I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. You guys, I've figured out the outfits. I am sweating. I currently have no pants on. That is not one of my outfits. I actually have 4 outfits and there's only 3 days, so it's good. I can have a backup, especially because guess what? I'm projected to get my period on this trip, which is so heinous solely for the fact that every time I've ever been on an exciting trip in the last few months, day 1 of my period, boom. I got it at Disneyland when I went in December. I got it again at Disneyland when I went with Micah's family recently, and now I'm about to get my period at Stagecoach. Not ideal, especially because like the bathroom situation there, also not ideal, but you know what? It's not the worst issue in the world to have, and I recognize that. So anyway, that's why I'm bringing 4 outfits, because one of my outfits has a pair of white shorts, and if that doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. Now I'm gonna actually get to packing. I wanna do it in the most organized way possible. Also, I am wearing my boots in the house because 1, they're clean, they've never been worn outside, and 2, I am about to like go into this festival raw with these shoes because I haven't broken them in, and that is so horrible. So I'm doing my best to get as many steps in with these as possible, but they're really cute, so it'll be worth it. Don't quote me on that. Today's our last day home till we head to Palm Springs, which I'm so excited about. I want to do all the things today that help me feel my best, so little self-care things. I want to do a face mask, do all the extra skincare stuff, especially because I know my skin's gonna be super dry there. I need to shave my mustache, that needs to happen. I went for a walk this morning, but I also am gonna do my leg day workout just because I don't think we're obviously not gonna like do any lifting at all in the next week. Lots of walking, which is good, but I want to get one more really good workout in before we go. So maybe I'll show you a little bit of what my leg day routine looks like. Also, craziest shit happened to me. I got my first Ozempic allegations. Yep, but no, we be in the gym. Anyway, I've got a few errands to run today. Also, I don't know when I plan on doing it, but I have so many returns to do because I kind of just like shit ordered so much stuff, like I said. And I ordered like 2 sizes in a lot of things just because this trip was so last minute that if something came in and didn't fit, I didn't want to like freak out. So anyway, I don't know if that's something I'm going to tackle today. Maybe when we get back. Also, let me know if anyone else is like this or if I'm actually just delusional, but because the money has like already left my bank account when I paid for these like clothing pieces, it truly feels like I'm going to be making money when I return all the things I return. So I'm excited for that check. Micah thinks I'm actually insane for thinking that, but anyway, gonna get ready and then we'll get this day started. Target run, got some random snacks for the plane. Did not go in to get books, but I saw this, The Perfect Divorce. I read The Perfect Marriage. I don't know if this is a sequel or not. Either way, I'm really excited to read it because I love this author. And oh, look at the spine of that. That's so interesting. It looks pretty short. I don't want to get spoilers, but there's like a little under 300 pages. So good, quick mystery, thriller, suspense read. Very excited about that. And then from Rebecca Yarros, obviously I'm obsessed with her and like, oh, just love her writing so much. This is, I think, a romance novel that came out last year called Variation. And so we'll see, updates to come. Definitely have gotten back into reading, which makes me really happy because I fell off for a while. And then I picked myself up some lunch from Latour Cafe. There's one in town and then there's one very conveniently in Kapolei. So fun fact about me, I love a tuna melt. I think it's one of life's greatest pleasures. And if you don't like canned tuna, I don't know what to say. It's so good. Made it out to the gym. Definitely not looking forward to it today. I feel like I always am the most exhausted from leg days, probably just because of the amount of energy that I exert, but it's actually my least favorite like day to train. I used to love it, but now it's definitely more of a push. So I'm gonna start off with a warm up. I'll show you like a little bit of what I do on leg days. It switches up a little bit here and there, but it must be done. If you weren't paying attention during my haul portion, I have some really tiny shorts and I wanna feel good in them. And this ass is not gonna build itself. We're down to the final stages here. The stash has gotta go. I do not want that making an appearance this weekend. I'm gonna put on one of these collagen masks just because I know my skin's gonna get really dry up there. So I've like seen videos of people doing this on the plane and it dries out so fast because airplane air is obviously really dry. I don't know if I could ever be that person, but I wish I was. Oh yeah. This is good. Ready to get crunk. Look at me.
Oh my God.
Just made my churro against Stagecoach. Guess who grabbed?